Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing some jumbo knotless box braids, and I'm going to be doing them pretty long. So yeah, if you want to see how I get that, stay tuned. So I'm starting on freshly washed hair. I just sectioned my hair out already and I put some twists in it. So let me show you the back. Alright, so that's what my parts look like, and I have 17 sections in total, so I'm gonna have 17 braids. Alright, so here's the hair that I'm gonna be using. I got it from my local beauty supply store, and it's the Janet Collection Jumbo Braid, and I have it in the color 2. They were all out of 1B, so. But the 2 blends well too, so I'm not too worried about it. And it's 100% Kanekalon. Alright, so I want to get 2 braids out of every pack, so I'm going to split each pack in half. As you can see, I already have some done back there, so I'm just going to take it and I'm going to split it in half. And then once I split it in half, I'm just going to take it and I'm just going to pull on it just a bit because I want to taper the ends. And there we go, we have tapered ends. Alright, so once I've tapered the ends, I'm gonna section this into 4. So first I'm gonna section it in half, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is what I'm going to be using to do 1 braid. Alright, so the products I'm going to be using today is the Shine and Jam in the red container. And so for my ends, so I can slick them down to blend it with the braid in here, I'm just going to use some of this Maury's Edge Wax. Alright, so I'm going to take the Shine and Jam and I'm going to just put that around the perimeter of the section. And I'm going to take a little more and I'm going to put it on my ends. I'm gonna braid 1, 2, and then I'm gonna add my first piece of hair, and I'm gonna just slide that in, leaving this one up front. And then I'm gonna braid 1, 2, and then I'm gonna slide this one back in. And I'm gonna put a little more edge control on my edges. Oh, excuse me, on my ends. And then I'm gonna add the second piece in. So 1, slide that in. Keep this side up front. 1, 2, then I'm going to take this and I'm going to slide it back. And then I'm going to add my last piece of hair. And then I'm gonna add some of the edge wax to try to keep my ends down. I'm gonna comb that. And then I'm gonna finish my braid. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of this Cantu coconut curling cream, and I'm just gonna put that on the ends of the braid in here to try to soften it up a bit because it's kind of rough. And then I'm gonna brush that through, and then I'm gonna keep braiding. And then I'm just gonna take my scissors and I'm just gonna cut any flyaways that I see and clean the braid up a little bit. All right, here's the first braid. All right, so I'm on the last braid, so I'm just gonna show you guys again. So again, I'm just gonna take some of that Shine and Jam and I'm gonna put it around the perimeter of my section. And then I'm gonna comb that through. And then I'm gonna take some of the edge wax, the Maury's edge wax, and I'm just gonna put it on my tips. And then I'm gonna comb that through. So I'm gonna take 3 sections, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna braid once. I'm gonna take it with my pinky finger and I'm gonna slide the piece of hair in. And then I'm gonna braid 1, 2, and then I'm gonna slide the second piece in. And then I'm just gonna repeat those steps 3 more times. Okay, now I'm gonna take the Camille Rose Cocoa Nibs and Honey Ultimate Growth Oil, and I'm just gonna add that to my parts. I'm gonna take my trusty edge toothbrush. I'm just gonna take a little more of that Shine and Jam, and I'm gonna brush what I did leave out of my edges, which isn't much, but you know. And then you know I like to twirl my little sideburns. And here's the finished look. I dipped my ends in boiling water and I added some shells off camera. I used about 8.5 packs, and honestly this style took me all day, but I'll say total braiding time was about 5 hours. I really love the way these came out, you guys. Let me know what you think. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so when I post a video, you're the first to know. And again, I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, take care. Bye.